Working in a fast-paced kitchen requires a lot of precision and organization. Having equipment that is very accurate and precise can open the door to many other different techniques and ideas. One of my favorite things has become dry-aged duck. I age it for 21 days, brush it with black walnut syrup every day to help it caramelize in the oven. We like to confit the duck legs in the Rouennaise multi-fresh next, using the low temperature function of 180 degrees for 8 hours. We have it programmed to automatically cool down to 90 degrees Fahrenheit once it's done cooking, so we can pull the bones out without dealing with a congealed fat. We can use the Rouennaise to log our HACCP plan every time we use it. And we trim it up and we layer it nicely in a tray, and then we compress it in a Henkelman 35. Compressing it gives us a consistent texture and thickness on the duck, helps with the presentation and the consistent cook once we actually cook it on the Control Freak. We use the probe function on the Control Freak set to 220 degrees Fahrenheit to make marmalade, which will give us a nice consistent result. We know it's not going to be too thick or too thin. Having the accuracy to the degree helps me nail it every single time. We roast the duck with a 30% humidity inside a 425 degree oven. I like to use the Rationale iCombi Pro because of the dual heat and humidity function on it. Towards the end of the cooking process, we actually bump up the fan to accelerate the caramelization on the skin once it's cooked through. This results in a crispy skin on the outside, but a moist, tender, and medium rare to medium inside. We can program it to give us the best results and consistent results every single time. For plating, we sear it at 400 degrees to give it a nice crispy caramelized skin. Using the Control Freak and having a pan set to the perfect temperature consistently gives me the best results on searing a duck leg. I never burn them, but I also never under-sear them. Having really precise equipment in the kitchen really helps with consistent results. We reduce waste, we work more efficiently, and it helps maintain the quality of the product that we serve our guests.